Moana beat Togo. Ako na lang, Wati Chow.
Hello!
Ice cream yan. Ice cream sultan sa arena. Stupa ka na, Wati Chow. To 4 libre. 4 points, 4. Wati Chow, 3. Sa arenas, itong malaking mama. 2 points, speed 2. Kalawit tanggal. Coast to coast, 2 points. Pati paliligay yun. Kumandan, 2 points. So, abilan nyo. Abilan nyo, 2 points.
Abindan nyo!
Nice pass, Ben.
Oh, lagyan niya!
To Elias Salon, Ben.
Allah! Nice kagad!
Salon, 2 points. Karakal. Karakal, coast to coast, Karakal. Will Gary, 2 points.
2%.
Nice move.
Nice one, nice one!
Salon. Elias Salon, 2 points. Basket down, Surela. Perfect. Salon. Salon wala, iyayaban. Salon 2 points. Wildan ito Nagita. Nagita, shot 2 points. Moana, Pitogo wala. Moana 2 points, Pitogo. Palamini 2 points, Palamini. 1 point, Sorella. Nice hit. Umadang 2 points. Steal, wala. Basket down, lead. Ford, 2 points, Steps again. Sa Arenas, 3 points. Short rebound by Surailan. Malaking mama, 2 points. Nice pass, nice fake, nice pass again, Ford. Ford wala, nice rebound, Palamini. Ford, 2 points, Ford. Nagita, 2 points. Nice hit. Umanan, 2 points. Number 15 wala, nice rebound. Salon 2 points, Salon. Back to Milanyo, nice pass to number 15 to Palamini. Basket down, Palamini. 14 seconds shot up. Ford, nice pass to Salon. Salon 2 points, Salon. Sa Arenas wala, receive. 2 points, Umadan. 10. Okay, 2 points, there.